Did you know that a healthy sex life can significantly improve your overall well-being? It's true. Sexual wellness is an essential aspect of a happy and fulfilling life. It encompasses physical, emotional, and mental aspects, all intertwined and impacting our overall health. When we prioritize sexual wellness, we invest in our physical health. Sexual activity is a form of exercise that can boost our cardiovascular system and strengthen muscles. It also releases endorphins, which act as natural pain relievers and mood boosters. Beyond the physical, sexual wellness nurtures our emotional well-being. Intimacy and pleasure derived from healthy sexual experiences strengthen our emotional connection with our partners. This connection fosters a sense of belonging, love, and security, which are crucial for mental health. Furthermore, sexual wellness encourages self-acceptance and body positivity. It allows us to explore our desires and boundaries, leading to greater self-awareness and confidence. Embracing our sexuality as a natural and healthy part of life contributes significantly to our overall happiness and fulfillment. Maintaining a healthy and fulfilling sex life can be challenging. Life throws curveballs, and stress, communication issues, and other obstacles can arise. These challenges are common and often stem from the demands of work, family, and personal life. Stress in particular can significantly impact our libido and sexual desire. When we are overwhelmed, our bodies produce cortisol, a stress hormone that can interfere with our sexual function. This can lead to a decrease in sexual activity and satisfaction. Communication breakdowns are another common hurdle in sexual relationships. Many couples struggle to express their needs and desires openly, leading to misunderstandings and frustration. Fear of judgment or rejection can prevent us from initiating conversations about sex, creating a disconnect between partners. Additionally, societal pressures and unrealistic expectations portrayed in media can negatively influence our perception of sex and intimacy. These external factors can create feelings of inadequacy or pressure to perform, further hindering our ability to enjoy a healthy sex life. A healthy sex life requires open and honest communication with your partner. Create a safe space to express needs, desires, and boundaries. Share your fantasies and be receptive to your partner's desires. Communication is a two-way street. Listen attentively. Validate their experiences and understand their point of view. Keep the lines of communication open to maintain a strong connection. Prioritizing self-care in sexual wellness. Self-care plays a vital role in fostering a healthy sex life. It impacts our sexual desire, satisfaction, and overall experience. Prioritizing self-care shows we value our well-being and deserve pleasure. Physical self-care includes nourishing our bodies and boosting energy. Exercise, a balanced diet, and sleep enhance libido and sensitivity. Exploring our bodies enhances our sexual experiences. Emotional self-care involves managing stress and cultivating a positive self-image. Activities like meditation and journaling reduce stress and improve well-being. Practicing self-compassion builds self-esteem and body confidence. Mental self-care stimulates our minds and expands our knowledge. Reading about sex and intimacy helps us learn new techniques and challenge limiting beliefs. Seeking professional guidance provides valuable insights and support. Cultivating a fulfilling sex life. Cultivating a fulfilling sex life is an ongoing journey of self-discovery, communication, and intimacy. Be vulnerable, embrace desires, and prioritize mutual pleasure. Create a safe space for honest conversations about needs and boundaries. Listen attentively, express feelings clearly, and find solutions together. Engage in activities that nourish your body, mind, and soul. Small gestures of affection strengthen emotional connection and intimacy.